Now here's another use for 3C's Max Bond. This composite decking I fitted 3 years ago. As you can see, a little bit broken off the edge here. I should have put a trim on it. So what I have bought is this. It's rubber, it's a very, very rigid, strong rubber. I'm going to fix that down on top of it like this. Now, of course, you could drill some holes and actually screw into there, but the manufacturers don't recommend screwing into the composite board itself. So it's perfect for Max Bond. Now, as you can see, there's a few little dots of rain here. It is about to rain, so I'm going to be quick. I've already cleaned the ends of these, so make sure they're clean, and they don't have to be completely dry. It is quite unforgiving, so if it's damp, it will still bond really, really well. But of course, the drier and cleaner, the better. Apply a load of Max Bond on here. Putting it on nice and thick, nice and heavy on that edge. And then I'm also going to put some in here too. Right along that edge. Nice thin line there. I'm just falling short about 10 millimeters from the edge because I don't want it to ooze out. Put another little line there. Don't want it to ooze out onto the decking area itself. A little bit along this front where it's going to also touch, technically be kicked. Now remember, you can use this in damp conditions and it'll only take about 20 minutes to cure after application and has great high initial grab strength. It can be painted over and used indoors and outdoors. Once this dries, it has super strong strength and also great flexibility as well, which is what you want with a substrate like this that moves. So slide it over, right onto all that. I can feel it pressing in now. You can feel the kind of the suction, it grabs to it. Just try and move it a little bit like this. Spread that adhesive underneath. That's brilliant, that now. It's grand. What I am going to do is place a couple of bricks, something heavy just on the top of it like that, until it dries. These were a couple of house bricks left over from when we built the house. Perfect. So I'll leave those bricks on it overnight until it's completely dry. If you'd like to see another 50 different uses that you can use your Max Bond on, just check out our video on YouTube. If you like our videos, don't forget to ring the bell so you can be notified for our new videos.